It is a marvel of American engineering, a machine that defies the laws of conventional flight.
Half plane, half helicopter. This is the Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey.
It begins not with metal, but with miles of advanced carbon fiber composite material. Robotic precision. Automated fiber placement machines lay strips with microscopic accuracy. Lasers guide human hands where robots cannot reach. Every millimeter matters. Despite the automation, the human touch ensures perfection in complex curves.
Before baking, the parts are sealed in vacuum bags to extract air and compress the layers.
The autoclave, a massive pressure cooker where chemistry turns fabric into armor.
Heat and pressure will fuse the layers into a single, incredibly strong structure. At 350 degrees, the resin matrix liquefies and cross-links. Hidden flaws are not an option. Ultrasonic waves hunt for microscopic voids.
Water, pressurized to 60,000 psi, slices through the hardened composite like butter.
The skeleton of the beast begins to take shape in the main assembly jig. Precision drilling. There are over 60,000 fasteners in the airframe alone. Temporary pins, called klecos, hold the skin in place before permanent riveting. Where possible, automation takes over, driving rivets with consistent force every time.
The cockpit, the office for the pilots who will fly into harm's way. Critical stress points require titanium, expensive, hard to work with, but indestructible.
The wing. Unlike a plane, this wing must support two massive engines on its tips.
Self-sealing fuel bladders are inserted deep into the wing structure.
The veins of the beast. Thousands of feet of hydraulic lines to power the flight controls. The nervous system involves miles of wiring, hand-bundled on massive loom boards.
Installing the loom requires a coordinated dance between technicians.
Pulling now?
The marriage. The massive wing is lowered onto the fuselage ring. Unique to the Osprey, the entire wing can rotate 90 degrees for compact storage on ships. Massive bolts secure the union. It must withstand extreme G-forces. The defining feature of the Osprey takes its place at the wingtips. Power arrives in a box. The Rolls-Royce Liberty engines, 6,000 horsepower, suspended by a chain.
Steady, steady. It fits like a glove. A very expensive, very powerful glove.
Safety redundancy. A drive shaft runs through the wing, allowing one engine to power both rotors if one fails. Infrared suppressors hide the engine heat from enemy missiles.
The hub connects the engine power to the blades.
The blades are a marvel of composite engineering, twisted to work as both propeller and rotor. Every blade must be perfectly balanced to prevent catastrophic vibration. To fit on ships, these blades automatically fold inward.
With the blades attached, the Osprey finally looks ready to fly.
The brain. banks of flight computers to manage the unstable aerodynamics. A glass cockpit gives pilots total situational awareness.
The rear ramp, the mouth that swallows troops and cargo. Retractable landing gear capable of absorbing hard combat landings.
High-performance brakes stop the beast on short runways.
Structurally complete. But it is still a green aircraft.
It leaves the assembly line for the paint barn.
Hours of masking for minutes of painting. Electrostatic charge ensures the radar-absorbent paint wraps perfectly around curves.
The special coating cures to a matte gray finish.
It earns its identity, the markings of the United States military.
The fuel systems are flushed and calibrated. No leaks allowed.
Power on. The hydraulic muscles flex for the first time. Millions of lines of code wake up.
The shake test ensures nothing rattles loose in flight.
Bombarded with radio waves to ensure electronic shielding holds. The signature move. 90 degrees of rotation. Tested again and again.
From combat ready to compact storage in 60 seconds.
Monsoon conditions simulated. Water intrusion is not an option.
FOD walk. A single loose screw sucked into an engine can be fatal.
The test pilots. Elite aviators who trust their lives to the machine.
Strapped in. Man and machine become one.
APU start. Hydraulics check. Flight controls free and correct.
Taxiing out. The culmination of thousands of man-hours.
Osprey 1-0, ready for departure.
Lift off! It rises like a helicopter!
Stable upper. The flight computers make thousands of adjustments per second.
The transition. The defining moment of the Osprey.
Now it's a turboprop airplane, reaching speeds no helicopter can touch.
Over 300 miles per hour, hugging the terrain. Agility and speed combined.
Approaching the target, it sheds speed and transforms back.
The brownout. Landing in blinding dust requires total trust in instruments.
Delivering supplies where no runway exists.
Rapid deployment of troops into the hot zone.
Tests passed. The bird is ready.
The paperwork is as heavy as the aircraft. Every step verified. Leaving the nest to join the fleet.
At home, on land, or at sea.
Easy to maintain, even in the dirt.
A lifeline for the wounded. Speed saves lives.
Not just a weapon, but a bringer of hope in disaster.
Even carrying the president's support staff.
Deployed globally. Always ready. Back in Ridley Park, the line never stops. American craftsmanship. Built with pride. A silhouette unlike any other in the sky. Speed. Range.
Vertical power.
The tip of the spear. Redefining what is possible in aviation.
Roger that.
Mission accomplished.